Social media is an effective tool for building a healthy audience for your business and finding your perfect customers. That is because almost regardless of who your audience is, they are most likely using social media at some point. And it does not need to cost you much to build an audience, just some time and effort on your part. But if you don't understand how social media can help you build your audience, then you may be missing out on a great opportunity. Below are some great tips on how to use social media to build your audience. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to build your audience. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Let's begin with the basics. The first lesson to learn when it comes to how to build your audience for free is to develop a strong lead capture system. This means that you need to be able to capture your followers' names and email addresses. This will give you a chance to build a healthy relationship with these subscribers over time. And that is going to bring you more subscribers and higher conversion rates on any of your promotions. Another important lesson to keep in mind is to build your audience using various social media platforms. This does not mean that you should only focus on these platforms. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Google+ should definitely be included in your overall online marketing plan. They are great resources for generating valuable targeted leads, but if you want to see real traffic, you need to build your audience using email lists. Here's another lesson to remember when it comes to using social media to build your audience: know who you are targeting with your marketing efforts. Do you have an influencer? If so, take advantage of the opportunity to connect with them through live video streaming. A joint venture with an influential business account could mean the difference between success and failure, as it can dramatically impact the results you get from your marketing campaigns. The last thing you want to do is think about your content sparks before you launch your promotion. In other words, don't launch your promotion and then sit back and wait for the results. You need to be active and get involved with your followers. Offer them something new and exciting to read, listen to, or watch and you'll soon get results. Another important lesson to keep in mind is to be a credible resource in your industry. Make sure you have an engaging website, a blog, and relevant and useful content on your social accounts. This will allow you to answer questions and build relationships with your followers. You'll also build trust and credibility within the marketplace, which will help attract customers and get results. Staying current with your industry and engaging with user-generated content online is what makes you stand out from the crowd, so you can sell to them. Finally, engage your followers and offer them something of value for free. If you have an interesting blog, you can use live video streaming to share it with your followers. If you use Twitter lists to notify people of great offers, you can use a link shortener to direct them to your offer. If you offer a free course on a topic you're passionate about, offering it as a video course is a great way to get people to notice you and help you build your audience. In summary, you must make the effort to build your audience through effective content creation, engagement with your followers, and offering free content. Make sure that you don't just sell products, but actually teach your audience valuable lessons in your field. Finally, use a little bit of social media magic by getting into a joint venture with someone in your industry. By combining forces with someone in your field, you can build your brand as an expert in your market space. Finally, remember that in addition to making great blog posts, you must engage with your audience and deliver one-liners that will stick in their minds. Thanks for watching my video about how to build your audience. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.